International Women's Day will be observed on Wednesday under the theme Unite to End Gender-Based Violence. To commemorate the day, a series of activities will be hosted by the Gender Affairs Division in the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport in partnership with the AIDS Healthcare Foundation and other key stakeholders. Among the activities for International Women's Day is the annual Madame Rose Leon Memorial Lecture, which will take place tomorrow at the PCJ Auditorium. It starts at 6 p.m. On Wednesday, D-Day, are a slew of events. A few are the Empowerment Session at the Emancipation Park, which begins at 1 p.m. There'll be booths and counseling sessions for women and girls. There's also the Be Bold for Change March. This begins at 4 p.m. It will start at Emancipation Park, continue along Knutsford Boulevard to Trafalgar Road and end at the park. On-site registration for the march begins at 2 p.m. at the park. Then on Sunday, an International Women's Day National Church service will be held at the Faith Cathedral Deliverance Center commencing at 8 a.m. Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Gender Minister Olivia Grange are scheduled to speak. Get involved and attend at least one of the commemorative events as we seek to achieve gender equality in our homes, workplace and social circles. Let's do this as we seek to achieve Jamaica being the place of choice to live, work, raise families and do business.